Ready to dive into the world of Apple intelligence? Apple is not just about sleek hardware and intuitive design, it's also revolutionizing the field of artificial intelligence. Today, we'll explore how Apple Intelligence is setting new standards in the tech industry. From Siri to advanced machine learning, Apple is at the forefront of AI innovation. But what makes Apple Intelligence so unique? Let's break down the 5 ways Apple AI is at the forefront of AI innovation. Let's kick things off with number 5.
Number 5. Siri and voice recognition.
When we think of AI and Apple, the first thing that comes to mind is Siri, Apple's voice-activated assistant. Introduced in 2011, Siri was one of the first mainstream AI assistants, paving the way for voice recognition technology. But here's where it gets even more impressive. Over the years, Siri has evolved significantly. Today, Siri uses advanced machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to natural language queries more accurately. It can now handle more complex tasks, such as setting reminders, sending messages, and even controlling smart home devices. Imagine having a personal assistant with you at all times, much like Jarvis from Iron Man, but tailored to your daily needs. In 2020, Apple acquired the machine learning startup InductTV to improve Siri's data management and enhance its ability to understand and respond to user queries. This acquisition is just one example of how Apple is continuously investing in AI to improve user experiences. Siri can now suggest shortcuts for your daily routines, integrate seamlessly with third-party apps, and even recognize different voices in your household to provide personalized responses. So what do you think? Has Siri set the bar for voice recognition technology? Let us know in the comments. Number 4. Machine Learning and Core ML. Apple's Core ML framework is at the heart of many intelligent features across its ecosystem. Introduced in 2017, Core ML allows developers to integrate machine learning models into their apps, enabling on-device processing and enhancing performance and privacy. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Core ML powers a range of applications, from image recognition in photos to natural language processing in the keyboard. It allows for real-time analysis and processing, ensuring that users get the most responsive and efficient experience possible. For instance, the Photos app can now recognize faces, places, and even specific events, creating personalized photo collections and memories for users. Moreover, Apple's focus on-device processing ensures that user data remains private. Unlike other AI frameworks that rely heavily on cloud processing, Core ML processes data on the device itself, providing enhanced security and privacy. This means your data, whether it's health information or personal photos, stays on your device, reducing the risk of data breaches. Additionally, Core ML has been used to enhance features like handwriting recognition in the Apple Pencil, making note-taking on the iPad more intuitive and efficient. It's also behind the intelligent suggestions you see in the Messages app, helping you to quickly respond to texts based on the context of the conversation. So, what do you think? Is Core ML the future of machine learning and mobile apps? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 3. Health and fitness. Apple has revolutionized health and fitness with its AI-driven features in the Apple Watch and Health app. The Apple Watch uses advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms to monitor heart rate, detect irregular rhythms, and even conduct ECGs. But here's where it gets even more remarkable. The Health app integrates data from the Apple Watch and other health devices to provide users with a comprehensive view of their health. Machine learning models analyze this data to provide personalized health insights and recommendations. For instance, the Activity app encourages users to meet their fitness goals by analyzing their daily activity and providing motivational alerts. In 2020, Apple introduced the Blood Oxygen app, which uses AI to measure oxygen saturation levels directly from the wrist. This feature, coupled with fall detection and emergency SOS, highlights how Apple is leveraging AI to make significant advancements in personal health and safety. These features have already saved lives by alerting users to potential health issues and connecting them with emergency services when needed. Moreover, Apple's Research app allows users to participate in large-scale health studies by sharing their health data with researchers. This contributes to advancements in medical research and provides users with insights into their own health trends. So, what do you think? Can Apple's AI-driven health features transform personal health monitoring? Let us know in the comments. Number 2. Augmented Reality, AR. Apple's ARKit framework is pushing the boundaries of augmented reality, enabling developers to create immersive AR experiences for iPhone and iPad users. Introduced in 2017, ARKit leverages advanced computer vision and machine learning technologies to seamlessly integrate digital objects into the real world. But here's where it gets even more impressive. ARKit 4, the latest iteration, introduces location anchors, allowing AR experiences to be placed at specific geographic coordinates. This means users can interact with AR content in real-world locations, enhancing the depth and realism of AR experiences. Imagine playing a game where virtual characters interact with real-world environments, much like Pokemon Go, but with even more sophistication and integration. Additionally, ARKit's People Occlusion feature enables AR objects to interact with people in real time, creating more realistic and engaging experiences. This feature is a testament to Apple's commitment to enhancing the realism and immersion of AR through AI. For example, during a recent Apple event, ARKit was demonstrated to show how virtual furniture could be placed in your living room, helping you decide on interior decor with realistic previews. Moreover, developers are using ARKit to create educational tools that allow students to visualize complex scientific concepts in 3D, making learning more interactive and engaging. Imagine learning about the solar system, with planets orbiting around you in your classroom. So, what do you think? Is ARKit setting new standards for augmented reality? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Number 1. Privacy and security. At the top of our list is Apple's unwavering commitment to privacy and security. Apple believes that privacy is a fundamental human right, and this philosophy is deeply integrated into its AI technologies.
But here's where it gets even more impactful. Apple's approach to AI is unique because it prioritizes on-device processing. By performing machine learning tasks on the device itself, Apple minimizes data transmission to the cloud, significantly enhancing user privacy. For example, features like Face ID and Siri's voice recognition are processed entirely on the device, ensuring that personal data remains secure and private. Apple's differential privacy technology further protects user data by adding noise to data before it is processed, ensuring that individual users cannot be identified. This technology allows Apple to analyze large datasets and improve AI features without compromising user privacy. Apple's Mail. Privacy protection feature prevents senders from knowing when you open an email, further protecting your personal data. Additionally, Apple's app tracking transparency framework gives users more control over their data by requiring apps to get user permission before tracking their activities across other companies' apps and websites. This has had a significant impact on the advertising industry, emphasizing user consent and transparency. Furthermore, Apple's commitment to privacy extends to its hardware. The Secure Enclave, a separate processor within Apple devices, encrypts sensitive data like passwords and biometric information, making it virtually impossible for unauthorized access. So, what do you think? Does Apple's focus on privacy and security make its AI the most trustworthy? Let us know in the comments. And that's a wrap for how Apple Intelligence is redefining smart technology. If this video blew your mind, smash that like button. Want more cutting-edge tech content? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to catch the pulse of the AI revolution. Until next time, stay tuned and stay amazed.